Hey folks, this is Priyansh with the DevRel team of CustomGPT.ai, and we're excited to announce you our Developer StarterKit. So what this exactly is, this is this that you see on your screen is basically an embed of the UI that we built for yourself. But before diving into the real demo, let's see what exactly this holds. So we give you a full dashboard, like everything that you see basically on ChatGPT or Claude side of things. Then you get embeddable widgets. You can have these kind of things that added directly to your website. So let's say I say hey or hi. So this not this exactly, but this is a mock demo, of course. But you can embed this as well in your website anywhere. You also get a floating chatbot, so something like this will appear on your screen, basically on the left, right bottom, and when you click it open, this kind of you get um, embed on the screen. You also have mobile PWS. So PWS stands for Progressive Web Apps. So basically, if you have this website open, you can install this as a native app as well, so it feels and looks like you're using an application and not something that's running on the browser. So we support that for mobile as well as desktop. And then again, the voice mode. So we'll talk more about the voice modes in the coming demo that I'm going to show you. So basically, this is the landing page, basically starterkit.customgpt.ai/landing. But if you also go at customgpt.ai/ let's say starter kit, you'll basically get redirected here as well. So that's the thing. You can also click this button to go to GitHub or watch tutorial videos like the one that I'm recording right now. And these are the UI components. Then who's using this, that's all on you. We have active 1,000 plus deployments of custom GPTs, total services, even more than that. And this is the voice mode I was talking about. We'll see if this is an actual in a bit of time. And this has one-click deployment, so you don't need to have any backend. Just take the clone this GitHub repository. It's open, MIT source licensed, and deploy on Vercel in one click, and everything works out of the blue. Then basic boilerplates. You also get Slack bots, Discord, WhatsApp, and Telegram bots. So these is kind of screenshots that we implemented and added for you to see for yourself. So this is how Discord looks like. So basically it might not be relevant, but I'll show you what it means. So basically the data, it's coming from your RAG databases. So we built templates for you that you can easily deploy if you want this on Telegram, Slack, WhatsApp, Discord, or Instagram, Google Chat, Rocket Chat, Facebook, etc. We have all integrations for that. So let me click on Discord one. If I go, you will see custom GPT integrations and the Discord bot. You have examples, screenshots, features, and how to install it and run it for yourself. So let me go back and tell you the integrations part of thing. We have Discord, Facebook, Messenger, Google Chat, everything you can read for yourself, I think. And available options, let me just scroll back. This is all the setup informations. Yeah, you can see the feature comparisons, what all we support, how to do it. We support hosting via Vercel or Railway, and in some cases we also support we can give you Google App scripts that keeps on running, and you don't even have to maintain any backend for it. So like our Slack bot and our WhatsApp bot kind of runs automatically if you deploy this on Google App Script. The deployment, let me just show you Google. Yeah, hosting options, Google App Script is also available. So this was a sneaky little idea that I used in the past, and I thought let's maybe use this. Although it might not be relevant if you have like 50,000 impressions or 50,000 requests per day, but if you have a minimal usage, Google App Script, just one single bunch of like 500 lines of code works fine for a few of those social integration bots. So now coming back to the starter kit exactly. So here you get, of course, the screenshots. This is the voice feature I was talking about. So you also have a video demo of the all features. I'll just show you those in a while. How you can set up this locally. Basically just you need a custom GPT API key and it's done. That's all the API key you need. If you want to use our voice features, so we don't natively support voice features, so we are using OpenAI's Whisper model for this. So if you want to use the voice models, just have to add an OpenAI API key, and that's all. That's what you need. You even don't need this, is also optional. And for widgets, I'll just show you what I actually mean by those widgets, and these are just deployment guides, features. We also have a Docker Compose file, a Docker file for you, how you can run this, create images for it, and do whatever you wish to it. But let me just show this actual example in so this is currently running on my localhost 3000. This is basically the code. Yeah, the code right here. We have dockers. If you go to docs, you will see the features of it, the integrations of it. And if you go to examples, so this is the most interesting thing that most of you folks would want to try it out. So we have Angular integrations, Docusaurus integration, Next.js, React, Swillet, and Vue. So basically, if you want to embed these widgets, you might need to do some around something of a proxy server setup. So we have guides for all of this, how you can do that over these examples. And if you want to use these as a component, so if you want widget component, just take these files, add it to your project. And we also have let me show you. Yep, example usages. These are the example usage examples for all frameworks, commented out codes. So just take this component like simplified code widgets, add to your project. So I can show you one right now, but okay, let me show you the actual product. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me send some questions. So okay, let's tap on this. So I asked it, what is the developer starter kit? On the left side you can see the conversation history. I go ahead, I can rename it, delete it, view details about it. So the session ID, the project ID, who it was created by, and the response that I got with citations. And if I click on more details, it will give me citation details. This is a placeholder image that the website has. And also go and work with this TTS thing, text to speech. So I say, yeah, it will ask me for permissions. So hey, how are you doing? And I click close, and it will just write the message for me, so I don't have to write. That's done. You can also just add any documents if you wish to by clicking on this little icon here. You can also customize this chat. So basically what this means is source. What should be the source of the data? It should be just your content, or AI plus your content, or the default behavior that you can set from the CustomGPT app itself. And the model selection, which model do you want this project to have? So basically how this works is you get a list of available agents or available projects. So currently I'm using this developer starter kit project that I created. You can also switch to other projects if they are included in your application. Suppose I want to use a file upload agent, or if I want to use my YouTube agent, and which all models are available for that, or which I want to use, you can select directly from here. Or you can also do that by going to settings for that particular project. So let me go back, settings, and yeah, let's test for this developer starter kit. So the appearance of this behavior, which should be the example persona, the knowledge source that I just showed you, you can also customize that here. The data sources for this project. So for this starter kit agent, I'm using multiple sources: our website, sitemaps, few PDFs, sitemap for docs. And let me just show you more details on this. So if I click on load more pages, it just takes a while because there are lots of pages, and it will show, okay, the crawl is okay, it's indexed, it's refreshable, etc, etc. So that's some source level. You can also add more sources by clicking on this button, sitemap. Or if you want to upload a file, all in good, you can play along with these settings. And the content pages, you can either delete a page, reindex it, or see the metadata of it. So this is how that page, this particular URL looks like. So all good. Some filters over there, just feel free to play along with this. So this is customer intelligence thing, is a new thing, but let me just show you. Yeah, so this is a new thing we added to our APIs. So you can now see which sentiment was that response by the AI. So it was informational, the location of it, it was an API deployment, or what kind of deployment was it, a web embed or some different kind of deployment, and the source. So that's all cool. Then messages and citations, the settings regarding that, advanced settings, business and licensings, security and privacy. So basically these all things I wanted to show you. Then you can come to profile section of it, the basic boilerplate things, the name, the projects, the team ID, members, etc. Then settings, we also have dark mode for this, so everything goes dark if you prefer that. And yeah, this is how the dark mode looks like. Then you can also add new chat, or if you can also do a create new agent for that purposes, just Let me just switch back to white mode because there's some bugs here. Okay, I leave it to the community to improve on that. I'll just fix it myself if I get time. So new agent, so demo agent, just copy it around again. Yes, make this app publicly accessible. I go to next. I can add an example sitemaps. I can upload projects, and when I click on next, that agent gets created. So I don't need to create an agent like this and go and search for conversation. So let me just go back to developer starter kit. I can just go to this conversation. It says switching to this conversation. I can go to previous conversations, new chats, and new chats basically. So that was an overview of the entire you can say starter kit. Now coming back to the voice mode. So now let's see, I asked what is a developer starter kit. Now I want to use the voice mode. So I will click this little colorful icon over here. It says ready to chat, but before that you can also see the settings. You want alloy voice, echo voice, shimmer voice, or which kind of persona you want or the kind of model you want. Just click one and say save settings. So let me ask it, hey there, what is the starter kit for? And we'll wait for a few minutes or a few seconds in this case. Great.
The Developer Starter Kit is designed to provide a complete production-ready UI for applications using CustomGPT.ai's RAG API. It addresses the need for customizable user interfaces, allowing developers to create tailored solutions with features like custom branding, voice mode, and UI-level access control. The kit is open-sourced under the MIT license, enabling developers to modify, deploy, and use it in commercial products without restrictions. It simplifies the process of building modern, interactive, and compliant chatbot interfaces.
So that's basically what I was explaining to you, what this developer starter kit is, and it actually answered all of those things. So I think I've covered all of this mainly, and yeah, that's all. Great. So we have covered almost all the things except one thing which I want to show you. So we have hosted this entire starter kit on URL called starterkit.customgpt.ai, and when you basically go there, it will ask you out to either use our sample data and try the demo mode, which will just won't let you do much of the things, but you can get a feel around that thing. So I can just verify this, and I can see around for myself. This is this 10 minutes timer that runs, and you can see how it feels and looks like. But if you want to actually interact with this this agent, or yeah, when you click on this, it says free trial limitation, it's not available. But if you want to use it, just you need to add your own custom GPT API key over here, and then you can continue with full access of using how I just showed you running on my local. So that's one thing that I want to take care of. And yeah, that's it. I hope you to just explore this. If you like this project, just give us a star. It's a bit of less stars right now. So yeah, we work like around few weeks on this to get it up and running. We have all the API coverage, but if you feel there is some features missing or some things not working expected, just create an issue, or if you have joined our Slack channel, just feel free to come and let us know in API section of this of this Slack channel, which is basically for our community itself. We have around 748 members in this, and in our main channel we have around 934 members. So yeah, that was all from my side. I'll see you very soon.